In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel files into Looker Studio efficiently and effectively. Whether you're utilizing the native Excel connector or seeking alternative methods for unsupported scenarios, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right in with the recommended method using the built-in Microsoft Excel connector. Looker Studio has made it incredibly convenient for us by offering a built-in Excel connector. This brilliant tool allows us to upload local .xlsx files directly into the platform, eliminating the need for additional tools like Google Sheets. First things first, head over to Looker Studio and ensure you're signed in with your account. Once you're on the home page, it's time to create a new data source. To do this, look for the Create button, click on it, and select Data Source from the drop-down menu. Moving forward, you'll want to choose the Microsoft Excel connector. This connector is your gateway to uploading your Excel files directly into Looker Studio. When you click on that, you'll see an Available Files section. Here, you have the option to click on Plus New if you're aiming to upload a fresh local Excel file. Alternatively, if you've uploaded files in the past, you can simply select one of those existing files. Next, it's crucial to select the specific worksheet you intend to import. After selecting the worksheet, there are a few configurable data options that you should be aware of to ensure the data imports correctly and suits your needs. One handy feature is using the first row of your Excel file as headers. This can be really useful for maintaining consistency between your Excel file and Looker Studio reports. Moreover, you can choose to include hidden or filtered cells. This facility ensures that no important data is accidentally left out during the import process. You also have the choice to specify a particular cell range, maybe something like A1 to Z200, which gives you control over exactly which data gets imported. Additionally, Looker Studio provides the option to skip certain rows or columns. This comes in handy if your data has sections that aren't necessary for your current report. Once you've configured these options to your satisfaction, go ahead and click Connect. By doing this, you'll add the Excel file as a new data source within Looker Studio. After connection, hit the Add to Report button. This action integrates the data into your report seamlessly so you can start using it right away. That wraps up the straightforward method for bringing your Excel data into Looker Studio using the native connector. By following these steps attentively, you'll ensure a smooth transition of your data into the platform, setting a strong foundation for insightful data analysis and reporting. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide proves to be helpful.